Excuse, is this like safe or can I?
Yes, it's WonderWorks.
What's going on, beautiful people, and welcome to the American Dream. I'm your host, Deontay Lawrence, here in the most magical place on the planet, Orlando, Florida. And today we'll be exploring not just any indoor amusement park, but a 28,000 square foot amusement park guaranteed to challenge your mind and spark your imagination. After we recover from that, we're going to go in one of Orlando's favorite Mexican restaurants. Let's go. I've been looking for you two this whole time. I'm here with the corporate marketing director, Taylor, as well as the general manager, Brian. And this is an amazing facility, WonderWorks. So I'm just curious about the story, the exterior of the building.
Our mascot, Professor Wonder, had a remote science lab off in the Bermuda Triangle. He was trying to harness the power of a tornado when the experiment went awry. Flew the building, flipped it, landed all the way here in Orlando, Florida.
We're gonna get into everything that we have to offer here. I'm so excited to tour this place. So can we go take a look?
Heck yeah, come on.
So Brian, what would you say guests love most about WonderWorks?
I would say they love that everything inside this building is interactive and hands-on, so everything they can touch and play with.
You see the kids come bright-eyed. What is that feeling like?
I think they're just in just sensory overload.
Right, and this is definitely a place that sensory overload, I think is an understatement. It's like, it's so much going on. It's like, what's next? Talk to us about, exhibits like the Wonder Coaster and the things that you believe have made this place such a successful staple in Orlando.
Absolutely, yeah. We're sitting inside the Wonder Coaster, one of my favorite exhibits. This simulates a coaster ride, so it actually feels like you're on a roller coaster. We're constantly evolving, so I think that's the important thing with 25 years is we're constantly changing.
And looking forward to what we have to offer here at WonderWorks as well.
We're looking forward to many more.
Brian, Taylor, thank you so much for having us out here. Can't wait to come back. Now that our minds are literally full, it's time to fill up our stomachs, okay, and head over to one of Orlando's favorite Mexican restaurants. I never know what I want when I'm coming here, but I'm starving. Is Danny and Sylvia here? They always help me on ordering. Have you seen them? Yes, they're right there. Cool. Sylvia, Danny, yes, perfect. This is Danny right here, Sylvia. They're the owners of Quesa Loco. I love what you guys have going on. Can you talk to us about the journey, how you guys ended up here in this Winter Park location?
Yeah, so actually me and my wife met at a 9-to-5 job. Mm-hmm. So my wife had an idea on starting a food truck. Okay. We were kind of doubting ourselves a little bit. And we eventually just started getting lines and lines of people, very, very busy. And we decided to open up this amazing restaurant here.
I love this one, yeah. So right now, Sylvia, talk to us about what you're making right now, why people love it so much.
Okay, we're making right now the Quesa birria tacos. Okay. That's our most popular item.
Okay.
Everything with birria is so popular in here. What I'm doing right now is putting cheese.
And then what I love about this is authentic, right? So talk to us about why people seek this authentic Mexican restaurant.
People like to, taste authentic food. And this is actually my recipe.
Ooh, it's your recipe?
Yeah,
okay, see, I didn't know about that.
Yeah, this is not something coming from...
That's your recipe, yeah. You can't get it anywhere else, so you gotta come here, right?
Yeah.
And you guys will see it when it comes out. Danny, Sylvia, thank you so much for showing us everything you guys have to offer. And you guys make sure you tune in to the next episode of the American Dream TV.